So here is the tutorial on Notion for project management. Notion is a versatile, all-in-one workspace and organizational tool that combines note-taking, task management, project management, and knowledge management. So starting off, head over to the notion.com website. From here, let's click on pricing and check out the plans that they offer. They have free, plus, business, and enterprise. You can also check out their monthly and yearly plans. Now click on Login on the top right. After that, you'll be taken to the Notion dashboard. If you don't have an account, you can create one. And on the left here, you can see this plus icon to add a new page. Click on it. As you can see, we're now in the new Notion page. Over here, you can start off by typing in your project name. As an example, I will type in project management. Then, if you click on the three dots on the top right corner, you will get to see these list of options. From here, let's enable full width. And as you can see, it's reflected right away. Then, over here, type in /database. And from the options, click on Database Inline. You will get this table option right away. So put in a name for your new table. As an example, I will type in projects. This way, you can add additional sections on your page. Just go to the bottom and type in / and then type in database and choose from the options like before. This way, you can easily add multiple tables for your project. And if you go over to the name and click on these three dots, you will see these options, including hide database title. These are some versatile features. You can see some additional features right beside the table section. You can use them if you want. Now, let's press enter from the project management title and type in / again. And from the options, let's select a heading. Here, you can add a different heading for your database. Same way, if you type in / before the second database section, you'll be able to add a heading for this as well. So let's name it as tasks. Now on the name section, you can click on the plus icon and you will see all of these options on the right. You can choose from any of these properties to add to your table. As an example, let's click on Select. You can also use the search bar to type in whatever that you're looking for. Also, on this icon section, if you click on it, you'll be able to choose from all of these icons to assign to your property. This way, we've put the option to select a type. And below on the right panel, you will get to see this options section. You can click on Add an option and type in a new option according to your preference. As an example, I will type in urgent. This way, you can keep adding multiple options to choose from. And as you can see, all of these options will have a different color assigned to them. So once we're done with this part, let's go ahead and click on this plus icon. The same way as before, you can add a new property to your table, such as date. Then add the correct name that you want to put, such as due date. Then customize this section according to your preference and you're good to go. This way, if you click on the plus icon again, you'll be able to add more sections. So go through the options and choose the relevant one. I will go with checkbox for now. After that, change its name as well if you want, or you can keep it the same as default. But I will type in completed. Then, if you want, you can choose an icon for this as well. So by following this, customize the table exactly the way that's relevant for your work. Now, let's go over to the right side and click on the three dots. After that, select Layout from here. You can set these settings according to your preference in order to change the layout for your table. So go through them and set them up. Now, on the name section, let's type in a name for a task, such as Project Report. Then, you can add a type for this task. So select from the options that you added previously. On the due date section, choose a due date for your task. You can choose from this calendar option, which will be available if you click on the due date option. You can set a start and end date by clicking on the option on the top, and it will show something like this. After that, just click away and you'll be able to view it on the due date section. Then, Go ahead and add a new page by clicking on New Page. Here, put a name for your page, such as email. Set the type and also the due date for this task. Just customize it according to your needs. This way, keep adding new tasks for your team to view. This will make it easier for you to manage your teamwork and make it much more efficient. So let's add one more task and we will name it Fix Website. Then, go over to the Type section and select an option for this task, and also add a date range according to your needs. So after you're done putting in the tasks, once your team is finished with the task, they can put a tick mark on completed. Also, if you go over to the right side, you will get to see all of these options to filter and sort. This makes it easier to find specific tasks if you have a lot of them. So since we've added the due date option, it will be visible right here. Now, let's click on the table section. Then click on Rename if you want to change the name. On the right side, just type in the new name that you want to add. For example, All Tasks. And as you can see, it has been changed right away. This way, you can change the name for different sections. Then right beside the Sort section, you can also click on this plus filter option and add a filter from these options. This way, by clicking on the plus icon, you can add multiple filters for your task section. Then, if you want to duplicate it, just click on All Tasks and then select Duplicate from the bottom. Then, you need to type in or set a name for your new section. You can keep it as it is or type in an entirely new one, such as Completed. And as you can see, the new section has been added right beside All Tasks. To make changes, click on it and select Edit View. From the View options, let's choose an icon for this one, which will make it easier to understand which is which. You can also change other settings on the View options. Then, if you click on the Sort and Filter options, they will pop up right here. You can change and customize for this section as well. Now, let's head over to All Tasks, and then tick mark on these particular tasks. Once you do that, they will be moved to the Completed section. And as you can see, they're now visible in the Completed tab. This is where the Sort and Filter comes into play. You can add multiple stages just like this, and it will move according to its progress status. Same way, let's click on the plus icon on the project section and add a date. And again, click on the plus and then select status. For each of these, you can go through the options available here and customize it however you need. Let's go ahead and click on the plus icon again to add a relation section. So after you choose relation, select what it's related to, and then set the settings and click on Add Relation. After that, you can edit it further using these options, such as replacing the name and also putting in an icon to make it easily findable. This way, add all the relevant sections and you'll be able to easily manage your projects. And that is exactly how to use Notion for project management.